everyone, welcome to Crafty Anew, where we do DIYs, craft hauls, and thrift flips. Today's video, I am bringing you a craft haul for the March from Dollar Tree, and if you enjoy that kind of content, please be sure to subscribe and follow me on social media. Also, don't forget to leave me a comment to let me know what your favorite item is today and what you're hoping to find at your Dollar Tree. So let's get into it. Okay, so this first item is super cute, and it's these box bags is what I call them. I don't know what they're actually called, but they're kind of like a cardboard material, but bag shape. I thought these would be really cute to make like a set of books, and you can use the sides here, just paint on some lines and make you a stack of books, and have this pretty little Happy Easter truck on the top of it. I just love these. These come in 3 sizes, and I ended up getting the smaller. Now these next 2 items are super cute, and that's these purple and pink flowers. They also had yellow, but they come in these cute little glass vases. And what they did is they just stuck them in some styrofoam and put them in these little vases. So you can remove these flowers and just use the vases. But I tell you what, these are super cute, and I don't plan on doing anything with these. I may stick them on my spring tier tray. This next item I know you've seen at the Dollar Tree several times, and that's these ceramic planters. I just wanted to bring this to you because there's several different types you can get, and these are easy to redo by just using some spray paint and sticking in some greenery, and you'll have you a pretty piece of decor. So you can see here I got the cardinal, and all you have to do is just take some flat black or some chalk paint and white and give it a couple coats, stick some greenery in it, and you have a beautiful tabletop decor piece. So what you see isn't always what you get. Turn it into what you want. I also discovered that my Dollar Tree is now carrying these galvanized signs. I ended up getting the tulip, and they also had like a truck, and then they had a bed of a truck. So you get a full-size truck and just the bed and the galvanized. But I ended up just getting the tulip because I'm kind of over the whole truck thing, so we'll see what we can do with this. It's super cute, and I'm so glad my Dollar Tree is getting these in. Now you guys, yes, you are seeing this right. These are bamboo rings. I just discovered that Dollar Tree is now carrying these, and they're almost 8 inches, and then there's another one in there that's almost 6 inches. And I ended up getting 2 packs of these because you gotta grab them before they're gone, as the Dollar Tree saying goes. And guys, these are such good quality. I was so impressed with these when I took them out. Like, they're really thick, and they're real sturdy. I don't think anything is gonna be able to break them unless you really just try to break them. And I was so happy to find these, so no more spending $3, $4 for an embroidery hoop at Walmart. I can now get these from the Dollar Tree. Now this item kind of struck me as odd as what color it was for this time of year, because it's the red and black buffalo check. I would have preferred like a pink or white or yellow or blue. But this is an item I've never seen at the Dollar Tree before, and it's a picture frame that'll hold 2 4x6 pictures, and it's kind of got this iridescent edging to it. I just thought it was so cute. I just wish it was a different color. Now this next item is a paper pack, and as you all know, Dollar Tree usually has these paper packs from time to time. But I found this one to be really interesting just because of all the different textures and colors it has in it. I'm going to open this up and let you guys, we'll just flip through some of these papers. And I love that Dollar Tree is now carrying like all these different types of papers and cloths and stuff that you can use. But as you can see here, I mean, it's got all different sizes. It's got different colors and shapes. I really like this one. It's kind of like a, I don't know, like a smooth leather. And then I really like this gold. It's really pretty, I think. And these will just be easy to cut, and I wouldn't suggest putting them through your Cricut because I actually did try that and it didn't work for me, because these do kind of have like a almost cloth-like texture on the back. I don't know how to explain it. You can see, I mean, they're just real like pliable but yet strong, so it just didn't work through my Cricut. And you can see all the different designs that it has in here. You know, it's got some of your plain designs, and then it's got different colors, different textures, and some of these pieces are like really strong. and thick. That's what I was really impressed with, because usually when you buy stuff from the Dollar Tree, you know, you're not going to get that much. They're real thin pieces of paper, almost like cardboard. These aren't construction paper or cardboard. These are actual like high-end materials. And I really like this one. I really like the red with the, I don't know what kind of pattern that is, but they had one with the pattern and then just a plain red. And you can see here some striped papers, and that's just some regular like cardstock. I don't know why they gave me so many of that color. And then I ran into this last piece down here at the bottom. It's faux leather. And guys, I really like it. It almost looks like an alligator skin or snake skin. And it actually felt like it. I really like the texture. So anyways, if you see these paper packs, they have all different kinds and I couldn't choose. I wanted to buy them all up, but these go really quick. So if you see these, I would grab it before it's gone. These next items are coasters, and I just thought these were really cute. And again, it's from the Spring Fling line. I don't think I've ever seen this at the Dollar Tree. Let me know if you have. At least if I have, I didn't really notice it. But they're just foam, so I really wouldn't use these for coasters. I'm going to use these as part of my spring decor DIYs coming up. And there's 4 that comes in each one. Now, you guys, Crafter Square is really upping their fabric game, because every time I go into Dollar Tree now, I can finally find fabric. When used to, I couldn't find anything but plain like green and white. I found these 2 patterns and loved this floral pattern, and this butterfly pattern is so cute, and it's going to look so cute for summertime. And you get quite a bit of fabric in these rolls, so that's going to last you. You can make several projects from these, so I was super excited to find these also. Now, I found this burlap ribbon in this pretty pink. I've never seen like pink burlap. Let me know if you have. Maybe I'm just sheltered. I'm just now getting back out in this world. But you actually get 3 yards of this, so I was super impressed to find it. And I love the quality of this. It's strong, it's not frayed, and it's got the wire edging, so it's really good ribbon. And of course, I had to pick me up some stickers because I love stickers. And this summer's DIY tray is going to be bees and ladybugs. So I seen these and I had to get them because I thought they would be perfect for some tier tray DIYs. And then of course I found these wooden chicks. You can find these every year at the Dollar Tree. But I don't remember if there's always been 8. For some reason I was thinking there's 6. But again, I could be wrong. My memory is fading me. And again, the Spring Fling, I found these napkins. They were in purple, pink, and yellow. And I ended up getting the purple. And I thought these would be cute for all different kinds of DIYs. Like you can leave it like this and have a carrot top. Or we can unfold it and have a cloud. Or you can unfold it again and just have you a doily or a cute little round sign that you can paint over this. All you'd have to do is just Mod Podge it onto something. And I just thought these napkins were so cute, and I grabbed me a couple packs. Now again, this is just some wall decor, everyday wall decor that Dollar Tree has, their holiday, but I really like this one because it had the spring on it. And I really like this because, I don't know, the purple glitter and stuff just really caught my eye. Whether or not I'll leave it like that is to be determined, but I just thought this was so cute. And then bunny picks, which went by really quick, sorry about that. And then these rabbit felt stickers, they come in 3 different colors. There was blue, purple, and pink in there. So anyways, that's my Dollar Tree craft haul for March so far. I'm super impressed with everything Dollar Tree has been getting. I know they raised their price, but they're also, I noticed, are getting more things in stock, and it's things I've never seen before. So let me know if you enjoyed this haul, and let me know what your favorite item was and what you hope to find in the comment section down below. And I just want to say thanks for watching. Check out my other Dollar Tree hauls that will be popping up on the screen before you. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you'll be notified of all of my future uploads. And be sure to follow me on all my social media pages at Crafty Anew. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.